2021, I was moved to another project. To be honest, I quite confident at that time because my technical skill is not too bad. However, I still remember this is a nice afternoon and we have a meeting with headquarter leader and my boss suddenly said that he will absent that day. And yeah, in the meeting, I totally stuck. My voice is stuck. I said like very embarrassed. That is the most event which affect a lot on me on learning English career. How about you? Which is the most event that impact in your learning English career? I'm happy to listen your sharing.